pageantry the fun-loving Cebuanos can manage. The word sinulo comes from the Cebuano adverb sulo, which is like water current movement, which describes the forward-backward movement of the sinulog dance. The dance consists of two steps forward and one step backward, done to the sound of drums. The dance is categorized into sinulog base, the free interpretation, candle vendors at the Basilica Minor de Santo Niño continue the performed traditional. Today, we, the Lydia Achievers Club, will perform the traditional dance of Fiesta Señor, showcasing the wonderful Filipino culture of celebrating the fiesta, a typical Filipino town doing the bayanihan, a day where all the helping together from the bountiful harvest to the hanging of banderitas all over the town, while local boys is preparing for the traditional harana as a sign of courtship to the girls in the barrio. And of course, each home is preparing food, not to forget the lechon, a red crispy roasted pig, as everyone dances and light candles to the child Jesus and asking him more good things and guidance to come as they shout, Viva Peace Señor! Viva Señor Santo Niño! Ladies and gentlemen, the Lady Achievers Group.